You constantly regret investing your time and money in a new business idea, such as a business in a box, network marketing, an expensive specialist coaching program, or even an organic social media marketing course, as you are not getting it off the ground. You may have quit your job and burned your boats to follow your dream, but the dream of a bright future turned into a devastating nightmare. Hi there, I'm Alta now, a self-image specialist. Thanks for watching. You did what the gurus told you to do, tried your best, but made little or no sales. Perhaps you started off with a bang, but soon exhausted your circle of influence and ran out of prospects. And now you are stuck. Your best intentions of improving your life, doing what you love, backfired, while the constant pressure of strained relationships is driving you nuts. It even reached the point where the impact on your finances is getting you worried about the future, and you think you just wasted your time and savings making someone else rich instead of receiving the benefits you were seeking. You are angry and fed up with the struggle, frustrated and desperate to make it work. The thing is, you manifested yourself. Your persistent lack of success, your empty pipeline, and your low sales performance are only symptoms of a common cause that's easily remedied. Sadly, your bad luck and poor performance are caused by your misaligned self-image. No one can outperform their programming, so unless you update the programming residing in your paradigm, you will receive more of the same, no matter how hard you try to avoid it. You already know this. You tried your best. You worked into the early morning hours and sacrificed precious family time to try to make it work. You realize now your way is not working. Your struggle is not unique. 90% of well-meaning wannabe entrepreneurs are frustrated, desperate, afraid, and insecure. Many people remain stuck, spinning their wheels despite having the best intentions of putting in a great effort. Your answer doesn't lie in working harder or seeking a better strategy. Your self-image is misaligned with your current goal, blocking your success. All is not lost. You are in the right place. You can recover your soft skills and prior coaching investments by aligning your self-image with your desired result. It will change your world. Look, I salute you for your courageous efforts thus far. I appreciate your commitment, and you deserve success. Let me help you leverage your prior investments by unlocking your inner world, which holds the key to your vault. Let my proven scientific systems guide you step by step to create a permanent inner transformation aligned with your objectives within a few short weeks. Schedule a supercharge call with me soonest. Then let's discover how my solution can get you back on track. I'm Alta now. Blessings to you all.